My name is Shruti Mandrekar and I am here with the travel series On Demand. So we are here at Keri Beach. This is at Keri Terrace Hall. So you can see behind me the beach view. So I will show you the view of this Keri place. This Keri beach is so beautiful. So let's go. We also have a temple over here that is called Aduba Temple. So this is the temple which we go now. So we can find different species of flora and fauna here. So we can find Casuarina plants, which you can see behind me. All these plants are called Casuarina plants, and also we have palm trees and coconut trees over here. So right there they are standing very tall, so you can see that. So this is the northernmost largest beach of Goa, and this river which you can see is the Terrace river. On that side I will show you, that is a Terrace fort.
Terrace Fort is a fort in Goa but geographically in Maharashtra, India, located on the northern tip of Goa at the mouth of the Terrace river. Fort Terrace is reached by ferry from Keren, 42 km from north of Panjim. The name probably originated from the Marathi Tirkhol, meaning steep river bank. This fort was originally built by Maharaja Khem Sawant Bhosle, the Raja of Sawantwadi, in the 17th century. Fort Terrace was a symbolic location where freedom fighters from Goa demonstrated from time to time. On 15th August 1954, Satyagrahis protesting Portuguese rule entered Goa from three different directions, one of which was from north to Fort Terrace, which was occupied and flew the Indian flag for a day before they were captured and imprisoned. A church of the Holy Trinity was constructed in the fort courtyard by De Almeida after its capture. This later became the century-old church of Saint Anthony. Now is the state of ruins. Fort Terrace has been converted into a hotel. The Fort Terrace heritage. The church is not open to the general public except on certain occasions, such as annual feast that is usually held in May. Over 1 million marine animals including mammals, fish, sharks, turtles and birds are killed each year due to plastic debris in the ocean. So, when you visit any place, be it beach, waterfall, park or anything, please carry your trash or waste with you, or you can put it in a proper place like dustbin. Small things like this can make a big impact on environment.
if you like the travel series with me, Goan Girl, then please comment below, and you know the drill. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Toodles.